Hey guys, today we will learn how to enable HTTPS on your local host from XAMPP server. Here I have a file uploader system, but it's enabled in the XAMPP server. I have enabled HTTPS server, and you can see that here's a log sign and my connection is secure as well as the certificate is valid. I have made this certificate by myself, and today we will learn that how to enable this HTTPS server in my local server. For that, at first we'll go to the XAMPP control panel and we'll check out the Explorer. Then for that we'll go to the Apache. um, uh, we know one thing that XAMPP supports certificate maker. For that we'll go to we can see that there is a makecert.bat file, which is Windows batch file for certificate making, and with some extra configuration we can make a certificate. So to add the extra configuration, we need to create a file named v3.ext. Here the file extension has to be ext. Now we will open the file with Notepad++ and write these 4 lines of code. It's just setting localhost to DNS1 and your default IP address to DNS2. So that's all for this part, and now we need to introduce this file to our certificate as our extension, which is added. For that we will close this file for now and open the makecert file, and so we will open it using Notepad++ again, and here I have added just this line to make the certificate know that the location of the ext file, which is in the same directory as the makecert.bat. That's all for this part, and makecert is ready for now. But we need to add some more configuration, and we need to add virtual host for XAMPP. For that we'll go to Apache's conf folder and we'll go to the extra folder, and here we can see that there is a conf file which is httpdv host, and we're going to check that out. So here we have some virtual hosts, but most of them are commented out. Now I'll add another virtual host, which is this, and make sure that your virtual host document root is the directory where your XAMPP is. We can see that here my XAMPP is in my C drive. Make sure that you put the right directory, and we are going to add this virtual host to the default port, which is 443. Then we are done with our configuration. Now we will create our own certificate. Now I'll go to the Apache again and run the makecert.bat file, and a command prompt will pop up. So here we have it, and now I'm going to press a password. Please make sure that you put something that you can remember easily. So I'm just putting my password that I'm setting and then verifying it again. So now I will put my country name like this. Now the full form, next my city name, then I'm putting my organization name. I'm just gonna put university, and you can just skip it, or you can put your section like anything that you want. I'm just putting a section number 1. Now for common name, we will surely write it the localhost. Now put your email address, just go along whatever pops up. Now just putting some extra attributes. Sorry, my password was too short. I'll put another one. Okay, we can just skip it and we will press the password that we have entered in here. Now our certificate is just done. Now let's see our certificate. Then we'll go to the conf folder and open the ssl.crt, and now we'll double click on the certificate. Now we can see the certificate information, which is issued to the local host and issued by the local host, and there is a validity. So our certificate is not installed yet, so now we're going to install it by clicking it, selecting the local machine as our store location. Yes, and now we'll choose the option place all certificate in the following store, and then in the browser we are choosing the option trusted root certificate authorities. So we are choosing this because it takes your certificate to the trusted root certification authorities where all the trusted certificates are present there. And so now that you have given permission and your certificate is ready and trusted, we will go to next and finish. Our certificate is ready. So now I will just restart my XAMPP. So now I'll go to my localhost. Localhost slash my file upload. Oh, sorry. It was test8.html. You can see that my server is secured and the certificate is valid. So, and see that it is issued by the local host and issued to the local host as well. So that's how you enable HTTPS in your local service. Thank you.